Vishwam Group of Institutions, Madanapalli. Madanapalli has pleasantly mild to warm summers with average high temperatures of 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Rabindranath Tagore translated Jana Gana Mana from Bengali to English and also set it to music here in Madanapalli. Madanapalli is very well connected by road and rail. Bangalore International Airport is about 120 kilometers from our college. Sir Visvesvaraya Institute of Science and Technology, SVTM, is named after Bharat Ratna Sir Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya, synonymous with excellence. An institution established in 2006 in Madanapalli, a pleasant town known as Educational and Cultural Center. In 2006, SVTM had graduations, and as time progressed, its efficiency boosted and its fame reached to every corner of Rayalaseema, Andhra and Telangana regions. Vishwam Group brings you an integrated educational environment from LKG to PG, play school, LKG to 10th class, intermediate, degree and post-graduation. SVTM course offerings are continuously expanding to meet students' educational needs and interests.
Myself Suhana, Civil Department. Civil Engineering Department having UG and PG programs grown up tremendously with well-established infrastructure, fully furnished classrooms, well-equipped laboratories with advanced pedagogy.
Hi, this is Arun from CSC. We have well-advanced and highly configured and sophisticated laboratories to scope to learn new technologies like .NET, Python, advanced Java, like many app-based application development. And coming to our faculties, all faculties are highly qualified and all are teaching us to do best in our academics.
Hi, this is Indu from ECE stream of SVTM. Electronics plays a wide role which consists of our technical stuff from where we can do research, practicals from our labs like EDC, IT workshop, etc.
This is Balasubramaniam from EEE department. Hereby, the students all are experiencing programming, computing, visualization techniques before going to involve with the live model experiments. It energizes the knowledge and additional learning by using a practical tools, MATLAB, PSpice, etc. tools.
Myself Monica from Mechanical Department. We have all laboratories and workshop facilities with well sophisticated equipment, and we did a lot of experiments and projects in mission design, and our lecturers are customizing, continuing many trainings and workshops for consultancy projects.
Our institution has emerged as Center of Excellence in the field of education. The institution takes pride in its quality and experienced faculty members and strong industry linkages. We nurture our students to emerge as technologists, entrepreneurs and corporate leaders who can face challenges and contribute to the society.
This is the place where you can be who you are and discover who you want to become. This is an attempt to create a community within a college. This is what makes SVTM's education very distinctive. The mind, once enlightened, cannot become dark again. This is what the main motto to which our institution is bound to. We are interested to enlighten the rural area people by giving the best quality education, offering technical education and research opportunities of very high standards to students, developing the total personality of the individual, and instilling high levels of discipline and striving to set global standards, making students technologically superior and ethically strong, who in turn shall contribute to the advancement of society and humankind. Hostel, on-campus girls' accommodation, separate boys' accommodation, comfortable, pleasant hostel rooms, healthy, hygienic food, housekeeping and medical care, transportation. Vishwam Educational Society provides bus transportation to students and staff from various places around Madanapalli. Internet. Campus provides Wi-Fi facility. Sports. Vishwam campus has wide open areas for sports and games. Canteen. Vishwam campus has a hygienic canteen to serve the students. It provides refreshments, purified drinking water. Placements cell. We are associated with some of the topmost MNCs for placements.
This is Sayyid Suzain from EC branch, and now we are going to introduce about our library, which is the heart of our college. The library system consists of a fully automation digitalization library and certain departmental libraries, which collectively supports research, learning, technique, etc. And here are 27,901 volumes are available in our library, which consists more than 2,500 titles.
This is Sanya from ECE department. Our library having a wide range of resources from books, magazines, more than 60 journals, daily newspapers and indoor games too.
Hi, myself Ashwita from CSE stream of SVTM. As we all know that NSS stands for National Service Scheme. In NSS we did many services. We provided books and food for free. We adopted many villages and guided them. We motivated the value of education. It's really proud to have our college SVTM as a part of NSS.
Vishwam Group of institutions in the fulfill from years of its service to higher education has been steadily updating its teaching, simultaneously upgrading its infrastructure through digitalization. Gratifying to see that Vishwam Group of institutions typical vision teaching research is yielding very promising results. With intellectual dynamism as our core competence, we transform learners into leaders to steer the future for the nation. Thank you.